There go Butter O'Shawn shooting the railroad bridge rapids. And there he goes. He's in the chute. He's going. There's the railroad bridge. You can see some cars parked on it. There goes Sean. This is going to be kayak cam again as I run through the rapids. These are class 0.1. I hope I can make it through this treacherous stretch of Buffalo Bayou without incident. Paddling hard to pick my line, going to the old post. There's the old railroad post. Uh-oh, straighten it up. Here we go. And there's the second set of rapids. Turn, Pepperwood. Turn, babe. How do you run it aground? How do you run it aground? Okay, here we go. Alright, another little set of ripples here. Come on through, Sean. Oh, goodness. You picked a better line than I did. I got stuck.